This is Jess from jesshuff.com. In this video, I'll show you how to attach the tail as you're crocheting the body of your loop stitch amigurumi project. Soon, I'll be doing a similar tutorial for patterns made with a standard single crochet. I'll link to that tutorial in the video description when it's available. At this point, you should have crocheted rounds 1 through 10 of the body, including attaching the legs where indicated. You should also have a completed tail that has been slip-stitched closed with the yarn tail hidden inside the work. The next step is marking stitches on the body that will show us where to attach the tail as we're crocheting round 11. Our tail has 5 slip stitches across the top, so we'll mark off 5 stitches centered between the legs on the opposite side of the round. Make sure you check the work from all angles to make sure that that tail is going to be centered between the legs. I think this looks pretty good, so we'll start crocheting round 11. Just like all rounds on the body, round 11 will be done in the loop stitch. Crochet around until you hit the first marker for the tail. Remove the first stitch marker. Insert your hook through the next stitch on the body, then through the first slip stitch at the top of the tail. Now we're going to loop stitch across through all 5 stitches. One, two, three, four, five. Okay, we have now attached our tail, and you can crochet the rest of the round as normal. We have now completed round 11 with an attached tail, and you can complete the rest of the body as the pattern is written. If you found this video helpful, please hit the thumbs up button. Be sure to subscribe to my channel so you'll be notified about my future crochet tutorials. Thanks for watching!